When Olókun was accused story. The rivers gathered to accuse Olókun before Olófin, and he sent for Olókun, but he replied that he could not go because he was engaged in a very important matter. He was offering 2 goats to Runmila, and after finishing, he set off for Olófin's house, carrying the seasoned heads of the goats. When he arrived at Olófin's house, all the rivers were gathered and accused him before Olófin, putting him in the worst position. When they finished accusing him, Olófin asked the rivers what they had brought, and they replied, "Nothing." He then asked Olókun what he had brought, and he said, "Goat heads," and presented them. Olófin ordered that all the rivers should end in Ile Olókun, since they had accused him without proof or basis, and because Olókun had brought the heads, head it would be. And since then, all rivers must end in the sea, so that Olókun may inform Olófin of all the good and evil that others do.